Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to remove your phone number from Discord on PC after the latest update. If you're looking to enhance your privacy or just want to update your account settings, follow these simple steps. First, launch the Discord app on your PC. Once you're in, look down to the lower left corner of your screen. You should see a section displaying your username. Right next to it, there's a little gear icon. Go ahead and click that. Now, you'll find yourself on the User Settings page. If you're not already on the My Account tab, make sure to select it from the menu on the left side. In the middle of the My Account screen, you'll see various details about your profile. Look for the phone number section. Next to it, there's a Remove button. Click that to initiate the removal process. At this point, Discord will prompt you to enter your account password to ensure it's really you making this change. Type in your password, and then click on the Remove button once again to finalize the process. And that's it. You've successfully removed your phone number from Discord. It's a straightforward process that can help you maintain your privacy while using the platform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks on navigating Discord and other platforms. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.